Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is December 21st, 2021, and we'll be going over the 3D market commentary. The disclaimer is there for your information, primarily just outlining that this is for educational purposes only. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is what the 3D market commentary would look like in your inbox. Even if you have our free membership, you will be getting this same exact newsletter that we all receive. Why we call it a 3D market commentary? Because we look at a 3D approach, and that 3D approach is, consisted of the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. The market climate, the indicator that's down here on the bottom. Let me just move that out of your way. The indicator that's down here at the bottom, the auto climate, is giving us those the directionality of the market, meaning we should be looking for long or short opportunities. The buy and sell UFOs, the unfilled orders, the um, proprietary technology that we have, the proprietary software that we have, which is responsible for the upcoming turning points, which we use for entries or exits, and of course the market volatility, the statistical element of the market, whether should we be adjusting our risk to reward ratio, or how that market is moving, what is its speed. So we combine these statistical elements and we create an objective and a realistic stance when we're trading, investing, or hedging. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one that we're going to look at here today is the S&P 500. We are currently in a confirmed down climate. We're on the second day out of typically three. We're already seeing some strong pullback happening here. Market did go, pull down to 45.20. It's currently trading close to 4,600 again. We're again all-time highs over here as well. 46.42. The 47.43.25 is the UFO that has formed right there. And then, of course, we have 44.79 to 44.36.25 for the buy UFOs based on the VIX. Elevated volatility, 22.21%, 64 points expected for the day, which, this will probably start calming down a little bit during the holidays here, but we'll see how things work out. So right now, looking pretty positive across the board here on all the futures, including crypto. All right, if you're looking for education, if you're looking for courses, look no further than here. We have at the following link, you can take a look at the courses that we have available, which are future stocks and forex, as well as backtesting, trading plans, and trading psychology. And not just that, but every single one of these is actually complimentary. You receive a 3-month complimentary auto UFOs and auto climate indicator for 3 months. Again, that in itself, I think, is a really, really good deal. So definitely check it out. All right, looking at crude oil next. Same as the S&P, actually down climate, second out of typically 7. Now, almost the same exact market formation as well. A nice pullback, right? It did go further down, pulled back, closed, more than 50% of that candle opening green today. Or at least we looking like we're going to open green today. However, we are opening in a newly formed daily red UFO 69.39 to 73 even. Again, that with a combined down market climate may push this further down. We're going to see buy UFO is down below here at 77 to 58.73. Based on the OVX, we're looking at 60.24%. I just want to double check here something that I always do, but I didn't do today. Just want to make sure we're looking good. Yes, we are. Okay. All right. Now, if you just need the auto UFOs, our proprietary and patented technology that we utilize for ourselves here, you can click this link here to subscribe to any of our apps. They do come with a monthly or yearly membership, and they are available for TradingView, TradeStation, MetaTrader, and of course our very own platform, Top, the Tradictive Options Planner. All right, the next one on the list, we have gold. Gold is in an up climate, however, it is not confirmed, so it's a thin blue dot. the third day out of typically 7. Based on market volatility, we're looking at 50.77%. Nearest auto UFO down below is 1781.3 to 1753, and up above is 1844 to 1873.3. We've talked about gold quite a bit, right? It's been stuck in this range for quite some time now. Interestingly enough, now it's looking like it wants to push up a little bit more. Of course, we've had this push out followed by this push back into that trading range, and then similar here and here. Of course, other than that, it's just been sideways since middle of June essentially. All right, that's that for gold. Now, if you do need coaching or support, we have the live trading sessions that are compatible with all time zones. But on top of that, we have all asset advanced coaching that you can access through this link here. It may help you avoid bad habits that you may not know you even have. You can set up one-on-one sessions with any one of the instructors here on our channel. Any questions you want some additional or personal clarification on, you can feel free to do so through those sessions. Okay, now 96.79 to 97.81 is the nearest sell UFO on the dollar. 95.595 to 94.965 is the nearest buy UFO on the dollar. It is an up climate now. It is confirmed the second day out of typically 5. Right now, the dollar is just kind of bouncing between these two areas here. As you see, it's gone into the UFO a couple times here. It's also touched the bottom UFO here, so just in a trading range in between. We're going to see if it's going to break to the up or the downside. Based on EVZ, we're looking at 5.66% volatility. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview in your email, you're more than welcome to join us here on the YouTube channel. You can use this link here to go to our channel, and I'd appreciate if you could like and subscribe to it so we can kind of spread the word out, help the YouTube algorithms spread the word for us. You can catch up on any commentaries using our playlist to see how things played out. And then, of course, my colleague Becky and I go through these daily, Monday through Friday. All right. Last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently pushing up quite strongly today. Of course, we've had quite the pullback, quite the pull up over here. A retest below, another test above new all-time high 69,000. Only to see it, pull back down here and just be in this range right here. Right now, we're seeing a pretty decent push up on the day, up about 3.76%. Currently in a sell UFO though, combined with the confirmed down climate. However, it's the 15th day out of to be determined. Of course, even if we were to drill down on a lower time frame, these numbers would probably be a little overextended right now. So expecting to see either some more consolidation or maybe a push up because the climate is getting a little bit overextended. 48,650 to 51,975 is the sell UFO. The buy UFO is well down below here, 32,820 to 31,650. Based on BVIN, we're looking at 86.83%. The daily expected move is $2,700. Right now, if you want to be a top trader, which is the Tradictive Options Planner, our very own platform, like I mentioned, you can use this link to learn more and subscribe. Top is a broker agnostic platform, so you can plug in different brokers to it and trade all assets. Of course, there is a priority to options because, again, it is the options planner, and there are quite a few things that the typical platform that is available for options traders is not available elsewhere except for our own, or perhaps high-end expensive platforms. Okay, as far as news for this week, so we have retail sales today in Canada, Bank of Japan meeting minutes. GDP annualized in Britain and in the US tomorrow. Durable goods, non defense capital goods on Thursday, and then Friday is Christmas. So, or as they have it in a couple of other countries here, Boxing Day. All right, folks, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to catch you next time. Take care. Bye bye.